In this question, the important values is first this angle of 62.6 angle of elevation to the top of the bridge, and when you're 20 meters closer to the bridge, the angle of elevation is 72.8 degrees to the top of the bridge. And it's very important to set these up as two separate triangles. We have this large triangle where the height is y and the width is 20 plus y. And on the smaller triangle, we have the height of y, same as a large triangle. However, the width of this triangle is equal to x. And for both triangles, y is the opposite, and the width is the adjacent. Therefore, we're going to use the trig function of tan. So for the smaller triangle, we let's the large triangle first. We let tan of 62.6 is equal to y over 20 plus x. And for the small triangle, we let tan of 72.8 is equal to y over x. And for both equations, we'll solve for the value of y. So that'll be 20 plus x. Tan of 62.6 is equal to y. And for this equation, x tan of 72.8 is equal to y. Since both equations are equal to y, we can let these tangent values equal to each other. So 20 plus x tan 62.6 is equal to x tan of 72.8. Now let's expand that value. So it's 20 tan of 62.6 plus x tan of 62.6 is equal to x tan of 72.8. Now we'll subtract both sides by x tan of 62.6 to isolate x on one side. So we have 20 tan of 62.6, which is equal to x tan of 72.8 minus x tan of 62.6. Now we'll just rewrite it over here. So next step is to factor out the x. So we have on the left side 20 tan of 62.6 is equal to, now we're factoring out the x, x tan of 72.8 minus tan of 62.6. Now we'll divide both sides by tan of 72.8 minus tan of 62.6. Tan of 72.8 is 2 plus tan of 62.6. These two figures cancel out. And we plug those values into the calculator. We have x is equal to 29.65. Therefore, using this formula, we'll plug in the value of x. So now we have tan of 72.8 is equal to y over 29.65. And again, we'll solve for y. So y will be equal to 29.65 tan of 72.8. And we plug that into the calculator, and y gives us a value of 95.78 meters. So therefore, the height of the bridge is 95.78 meters.